If you needed some guidance on how to install the ink cartridges on the Brother MFC J1010DW, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. I'm going to get right into the instructions. So the first thing you need to do if you're installing for the first time and you're setting up, you need to remove this orange piece. This orange piece is just a placeholder and needs to be removed and thrown in the trash. You now have your ink cartridges. Now, if you are installing new ink into a printer that already has ink, you need to actually remove the old ink, of course, toss those cartridges in the trash. So then you can begin the process of the installation of the new ink. Pretty simple. You want to make sure that the Brother logo and the color are facing you. And if it's facing this way, as you see on screen, then you can simply push it in place. You want to make sure that you hear and feel it click in place. Of course, the tab that is on the top, that is how you would release the cartridge should you have to remove it. But when you're placing it in, there should be, as I said, a click, and you should physically see and feel that it is set in place. If it is still loose, you will need to push the ink cartridge with your finger in until it's locked in place. There you can see the setup of the back of the ink cartridge that goes, of course, facing backwards, and then you can slide the cartridge in and actually set it in place. Make sure all the colors are set in place, and that is all you really need to do. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.